1, 2. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. Hush, now don't you cry. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. That's an Irish lullaby. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. Hush, now don't you cry. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. That's an Irish lullaby. Over in Killarney, many years ago, me mother sang a song to me in tones so sweet and low. Just a simple little ditty in her good old Irish way. And I'd give the world if she could sing that song to me this day. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. Hush, now don't you cry. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. That's an Irish lullaby. Oft in dreams I wander to that cot again. I feel her arms a-hugging me as when she held me then. And I hear her voice a-humming to me as in days of yore, when she used to rock me fast asleep, curled inside the cabin door. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral, too-ra-loo-ra-loo, too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral. Hush, now don't you cry. Too-ra-loo-ra-loo-ral,